So this is going to be a list of uh, top 6 fastest Foxy Edition cars in car dealership type. So let's start with number 1. The fastest one, obviously. Uh, the fastest Foxy Edition car, first place is this thing, Zenbo Aurora Agile Foxy Ed, with a top speed of 302 miles per hour. Second car is going to be bro, can't take it seriously, bro. Is this thing, Zenbo TSR GT Foxy Ting and top speed of, hold on a second, bro. Wait. Let me pop up the Zenbo with the top speed of this is not the Foxy edition, but they have the same top speed, to be honest, bro. 281 max. uh, Third place is the Pagani Huayra R Foxy edition. Let me just, okay, this guy, bro. Top speed is, I think it's 275 max. Comment down below if the top speed is 275 miles per hour maxed, bro. It's the fourth. The fourth place is the Pagani Zonda R Foxy edition. As you know, I don't have it, bro. I'm broke. I don't have it, and top speed is, I remember it was 271 miles per hour max. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, hold up, bro. Wait. It's actually not top 6, bro. It's top 7. Wait. Wait a sec, guys. Wait a sec. Agile is first. Zenvo is second. Huayra is third. Zonda is fourth. Fifth is this thing, Volkswagen Electric or Foxy Ed. And top speed is 252 miles per hour. Kinda slow, to be honest, but in drag, it just defeats absolutes, bro. At fifth. So, wait a sec, bro. It's the sixth. Wait a sec, bro. Wait. Agile is first. Second is Zango. Third is Pagani Huayra. And fourth is Pagani Zonda thing. And fifth is Volkswagen Electric R thing. Okay, so so the last one is this, the slowest car, bro. Boy, it kinda looks goofy, bro. The, the, Bro, what? Uh, yeah, my car is trash. My car is trash. So, see you next time for the next video. Don't mind my sibling playing Call of Duty, bro.